We have even more damaging winds right now. It's not as bad as it was before, but it's still happening. And the heavy rain, there's a lot of lightning, but the main heavy rain hasn't even started yet. Well, this is a nice way to celebrate 4th of July right now. Alright, I don't hear any fireworks anymore. I think that's because people have taken shelter now and abandoned the fireworks as they should have. Well, maybe don't leave them outside because if lightning strikes them, I'm sure they can trigger them. You know, but it's extremely dangerous to light fireworks in a severe thunderstorm, or even just a thunderstorm. Yeah, so this was not a bust. This was not a bust. I was afraid it was going to be a bust, and thankfully it wasn't. I did think it was going to be more intense, though. But this is already pretty intense. Like, I'm sure these are actual 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Like, these wind gusts actually hit 60 miles an hour, I'm sure. Like, a lot of times, they only reach, like, 45 miles an hour or something. But I think this time they actually hit 60. I don't know for sure. I just think they did. But yeah. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this storm. We are still in the gust front. Like, I thought it was going to be over by now, but no, it's not over by now. We're still waiting for the heavy rain and the lightning. Because and this is frequent cloud to ground lightning right now. So, yeah, that is definitely, and it's almost like strobe lightning. I mean, this is typical for severe thunderstorms in the summer. And also, you know, there's plenty of heat and instability to drive those storms. So, we're probably gonna have to deal with severe weather for another day, which is tomorrow, and then we'll probably be all done. Oh god, here we go again. Not again. Okay, that's not that bad. Here is the National Weather Service forecast for the entire coastal waters of New Jersey, issued at 6:06 p.m. Saturday, July 4th. Tonight, southwest. I have 4 electronic devices out here. Maybe that's not a good idea.